In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite guardians to see the work that students are doing in your Google Classroom. What you have to do is you have to be in your class, in the People tab, and then you'll see the list of students. Now, if there is any email address already in this column where it says invite guardians, that means that they have been added as a guardian to another class. Please don't remove them because this will probably really upset the other teacher. So if you have the option to invite guardians, what you can do is you click on the link. It will come up with an option and you can type in a number of email addresses if you want to. So let's put in the email address of the parent and there, and then we can click to invite them. Now what happens is it changes to invited. The parent will then get an email, which I'll show you in a few seconds, which invites them to receive Guardian summaries. And that parent can decide whether they want daily summaries or weekly summaries and which day of the week they see them on. And as you can see, as if by magic, I can show you what the parent receives. Okay, so the guardian will receive an invite, okay, and they can choose to accept or say that they're not the guardian. This helps if you accidentally type in the wrong email address, although you should always check that first, okay, but they can still choose to not receive Guardian summaries. If they do, that means that their email address is removed from Google Classroom and the Invite Guardians button reappears. Okay. Now it says you don't need a Gmail or a Google account to accept, because all that's going to happen is that you're going to receive an email to that account with weekly updates or however you set it up. Okay, so I'm going to click on accept and it will load up a brand new page. Okay. Now, if you want to adjust how often you receive the summaries, you have to have a Google account. I'm not going to set one up for this. I'm just going to accept that I get weekly email summaries of the work that's been set. And I will show you an example of that in just a second. So here's an example of a weekly summary that a parent or guardian will receive. As you can see, it lists future assignments and when they're due. It also shows any announcements that that student has received in the week and any assignments that were posted previously. If there's more than one class that they're a member of in Google Classroom, it will show them all of the assignments and announcements going back. What you might notice is that they can't see the grade. So they can't click on this, they can't go into the student's work. Okay, they can't see the grades. They can just see what has been set for them and if it's due, when it is due.